So now that we've set up our website, we're going to play with slicing and saving for the web. So on Photoshop, we have it all set up, and we need to locate the slice tool now so we can kind of cut these all up. So if you go into the crop tool, and just underneath that, there's a slice tool. So as soon as you click on that, the nice thing about this is we can actually come up here and just click on slice for guides. As soon as we do that, it cuts up where all of our rulers and guides were at. I don't want to have this whole header part broken up like that, so in this case I'm just going to combine those by just holding and dragging and just kind of lining up, and it should just snap right to your bars on there. So once you have that, then it should basically create that for you, and it shows me which of these I have numbered, so it gives me all the slices that it'll actually be creating. So that's kind of a nice thing. And if you mess up on this, if you accidentally click and just drag and make way too many, you can always just click, hold, and drag to select the whole thing again to kind of start over, or you can just click slice from guides again, and that kind of gets you on the right track again. So once we have our slices in spot, now we need to go to File, and we'll go to Save for Web Devices. Once we click on that, this is going to allow us so that we can now export all these images and also make it so it creates an HTML document for us. So for now, we're just going to keep it as default. You can play some of the settings in here. So I'm going to just stick with GIF right now, but PNG is also a good option. Go ahead and click Save. And a couple things you need to make sure the format is set on HTML and images, and default settings, all slices is what we want. So, and this is going to go into my site folder, so I need to make sure I direct it to that spot. So if I find my site folder, currently the only thing I have in there is my index.psd, which is what I've been working with. As soon as I click Save, it will create a whole bunch of other files for me. So I just click that. Now I'm going to go ahead and locate where that's saved at, and as soon as I locate where that's at, I'll show you what it has in there. So inside my site folder, so I'll just go right up to my site. So there's my site folder. So it used to be just that. Now it is created as index.html, and then it's also sliced up each of my images. So now I'm ready to basically take all that and put it into Dreamweaver. So I can just double click on this, and then that will show it what it looks like on the web.